Welcome to our channel. If your Firestick is displaying a black screen or showing a no signal message, follow these troubleshooting steps to restore video output and fix the connection issue. Step 1. First, verify that your TV is set to the correct HDMI input. Use your TV remote to cycle through available inputs until you see the Firestick home screen appear on the display. Step 2. Check that the Fire Stick is properly plugged into the HDMI port and receiving power. The indicator light on the device should be on. If not, try a different power adapter or USB port. Step 3. Try unplugging the Fire Stick from both the HDMI port and power source. Wait for 30 seconds to allow the device to fully discharge, then reconnect everything and power it back on. Step 4. Test the HDMI cable by using a different one if available. A faulty or low-quality HDMI cable can cause black screen issues even when everything else is properly connected. Step 5. Try connecting the Fire Stick to a different HDMI port on your TV. Sometimes specific HDMI ports can malfunction while others work fine, resolving the no signal problem. Step 6. If possible, test your Fire Stick on a different TV to determine if the problem is with the device itself or with your TV's HDMI compatibility and settings. Step 7. Check your TV's HDMI settings menu for any options related to HDCP, HDMI mode, or signal detection. Try changing these settings to see if it resolves the black screen issue. Step 8. If nothing works, perform a factory reset by holding the back button and right side of the navigation ring simultaneously for 10 seconds while the Fire Stick is powered on and connected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.